doing this video something simple. Change the steering shaft of my truck because mine messed up, and I knew about this, but the steering shaft used to touch with the header, so each time I turn it will make like a scratching noise or something like that. And I bent it a little bit so it wouldn't scratch, like it wouldn't rub with it or anything, and it worked. But I still think I should change it because I mean it's not normal. And the reason it used to touch with the header is because I guess it bent it whenever I was putting the headers on or something like that. It always been like that, but it's whatever. It didn't bother me till now. So I got the new part. I'm gonna show you the new part. It's cheap too, so why not buy it? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to it, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. For the people that don't know, that's the steering shaft right here. From this bolt down to the rack and pinion, that's the whole lower steering shaft, and that's what I'm gonna replace. You can't tell right now, but there's like marks where it used to rub with the header. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put the truck on the jack. All right, so that's the new part. Still in the box, but there's another box on the box, you know what I'm saying? Like they always do. I'm gonna raise the truck in a little bit so the wheels can move from side to side, because that's the easiest way to do it. And yeah, I mean, I've done this like twice, 3 times around there. That's the easiest for me to do it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do that, record a little bit and show you what's up with it. So yeah, I'm gonna raise the truck right now. Alright, so that's the part. Didn't even have tape. I thought it did. Brand spanking new. Even with a new bolt too. It's good because mine, the thread messed up, so it's better just to get a new one. And this one's straight too. Mine wasn't. But yeah. And so now that my truck is in the air, I'm gonna show you. Oh shit! I'm gonna shift it a little bit so y'all can see it. See right there. Right there, you can see on the other side it's a little bit bent, and then you can see a bunch of marks of where the header used to touch. The first thing you gotta do is turn the steering so you can see that bolt from the top, and then take it out from here. That's what I do. I think is better. I take out this one first, and then I work with the bottom. The one right next to the rack and pinion. Right there. Right there. You can't even see it, but yeah. Right there on the bottom. There you go. Took it out. You just gotta jiggle it a little bit. Whenever you do this, you gotta remember where you left your steering wheel, so you don't forget. Which I know mine was like that, so I took a picture, and then make sure everything's aligned again. But yeah, that's where you used to hit. Don't forget how your steering wheel was, because then it's not gonna be aligned. It's gonna be like different, like opposite or some shit. So remember before taking it out. Okay, see how that one, that's the bolt I'm talking about. See how it's pointing this way, like over here. That's the easiest way that you can take it off, or from the bottom, but yeah, I'm not trying to get it dirty. And mine, the thread was messed up, so I believe if I just do it by hand, yup, it's gonna come off. That's why I needed to get a new one too. There you go. Take that one out, and then now you just jiggle it. Oh wait, I gotta take this one off again. Here you go, fell down. You just jiggle it, and there you go. And that's about it with taking it off. This is what I wanted y'all to see, but this is what I was talking about too. Look at this one. You can probably tell in the camera, but you see how this thing is bent. It's supposed to be straight, but this thing was bent. And then look at this one, grabbing it from the same place. See how it's straighter. So I took out the old part. I'll show you how to take it out. Putting it back in is the same thing. I think easier. Putting it back in is almost the same process. So yeah, I'll catch up whenever I put it on. That's probably gonna be the whole video, just doing this. So yeah, let me put the part. All right, so I just changed the part. You can tell that's brand new. You can tell that's brand new. Not gonna lie, it was a hassle to put it back on. It fit a little snug, but I managed to put it on with grease and just a little bit of force. But as you can see, it's on and looks good. It don't rub with the header. It don't do anything. I already tried it. It's really close to it. Really fucking close. But it don't rub. Now I'm gonna go to a gas station, and that's probably gonna be the whole video. So yeah.